Well, I'm fitting to get up in it. 25 years ago, my mother gave me a cutting off of a angel trumpet. Every year, it grows over 10 feet tall. It's amazing. Take a look. As soon as the weather starts to get cool, specifically if there's going to be a freeze, I have to cut it down. First things first, gotta walk those dogs. We've hit the cold button here in Mississippi, and we're supposed to have a freeze tonight. In honor of that occasion, I put on my Canada shirt. My Canadian friends are laughing their ass off right now. You know, a little above freezing summer for them. So what I have to do is cut this tropical plant back and mulch it all the way to the ground. And I wanted to show you kind of my weekend warrior time. So here we go. Okie dokie pokey, I got it all down. Well, almost. I've gotten all of the top off, so now I have to move down, and these stalks, in my situation, they get enormous. So I have a choice. I can use either this and saw it off, or I can use this. Now my buddy Jeff Sammons with Houseworks, who co-hosts Fix It 101, our podcast on MPB Radio that can be downloaded with any app. Jeff hates it when I use a tool for something other than its intended purpose. But I'm a rule breaker at heart, so I really don't care. Once I get everything down, which takes half the time using the Sawzall, now I can mulch it. I found through the years by protecting it from the freeze, then it'll come back beautiful the next year and sometimes even taller. Thanks for joining me this weekend on my Weekend Warrior project. Hope you have a great weekend. Get up in it. Get up in your own project. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you'll learn something. And if you've got any suggestions, bring them on.